Today we're going to be making a glazed blueberry buttermilk biscuit. This is a classic buttermilk biscuit but loaded with fresh blueberries and a sweet glazed drizzle on top. This biscuit is perfect for breakfast or any time of the day. So with that, let's get started. Hi, I'm Annette and welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. These are the ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 cups of buttermilk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, and 3 tablespoons of cold butter. First, I'm going to sift together all the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, and cinnamon. Now I'm going to add the cold butter and just blend this together well. Here I'm making a small well inside of the flour to start adding the buttermilk. I'm adding the vanilla extract to the 3rd cup of buttermilk. I'm adding just a little bit of flour to the blueberries to coat them. Now these blueberries are going to go right into the dough batter. At this point, I'm just going to gently just kind of fold it over. We want to be careful not to overwork the dough too much to get too much gluten worked up. This dough is supposed to be a little bit on the wet side. I'm going to roll it out about a 1/2 inch thick. I'm going to bake mine today in a cast iron skillet, but any bakeware would do just fine. When you put your biscuits in a pan, if you allow them to touch, they will rise a little bit higher. I was able to get 10 biscuits in this skillet. And the rest of my dough, I was able to get 5 more biscuits, and I'm going to actually freeze these in the deep freeze. It's time to make some glaze. 1 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about a tablespoon of milk. And you can make this as thick or as thin as you like. Biscuits are finished baking. They look so good and smell so good. I baked them at a preheated oven around 415 degrees Fahrenheit, and mine baked somewhere between 15 to 18 minutes. If you have found value in this video, please take a moment to subscribe if you have not done so already. And anytime you give it a like and share it or leave a comment, it helps the channel to grow. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.